Hello, my name is Sheila, top seller and prompt engineer. Welcome to How to Use Midjourney Part 2. Don't forget to check out my e-learning links in the description below and enjoy! In this module, we are going to learn 7 basic parameters: aspect ratios, chaos, no, quality, repeat, stylize, and stop. The aspect or R parameter changes the aspect ratio of the generated image. An aspect ratio is the width to height ratio of an image. It is typically expressed as two numbers separated by a colon, such as 7.4 or 4.3. Add the aspect ratio to the end of your prompt. The more commons are 1:1 for square, 2:3 for vertical, or 3:2 for horizontal images. The default is square, 1:1. The chaos or C parameter influences how varied the initial image grids are. High chaos values will produce more unusual and unexpected results. Chaos accepts values between 0 and 100. The default chaos value is 0. Add the chaos parameter to the end of your prompt. Remember values between 0 to 100. For coherency and consistent prompts, we will prefer to keep chaos as 0. The no parameter tells the Midjourney bot what not to include in your image. For us, the prompts engineers, the no parameter is a key. No parameter accepts multiple words separated with commas. Remember, the Midjourney bot considers any word within the prompt as something you would like to see. Words as without or don't are not interpreted by the Midjourney bot in the same way a human would. They don't work. Focus your prompt on what you do want to see and use the no parameter to specify concepts you don't want to include. Add the no parameter to the end of your prompt. For coherency and consistent prompts, we usually use the no parameter. The repeat parameter runs a job multiple times. It can only be used in fast and turbo GPU mode. Repeat parameter accepts values 2 to 10 for standard subscribers. It is very useful when you want to run a job at least 3 times in order to get the most outstanding grid. Add the repeat parameter to the end of your prompt. Combine repeat with other parameters, like chaos, to increase the pace of your visual exploration. Midjourney bot produces images that favor artistic color and forms. The stylize parameter influences how strongly this is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic but less connected to the prompt. Stylize's default value is 100 and accepts integer values between 0 and 1000. For consistent prompts, we usually use 100 as default in the v5.2 version. This value changes depending on the version. Add the stylize parameter to the end of your prompt, or you can type /settings and select your preferred stylize value from the menu. The quality parameter changes how much time is spent generating an image. Higher quality takes longer to process and produces more details. It does not impact resolution. The default quality value is 1. Quality only accepts the values 0.25, 0.5, and 1. Quality 0.25 means quickest results, but least detailed results. Add quality parameter to the end of your prompt. I usually use 1. Use the stop parameter to finish a job partway through the process. Stopping a job at an earlier percentage can create blurrier, less detailed results. Stop accepts values between 10 and 100. The default value is 100. It seems like a parameter you would never use, right? But it's not like that. In consistent prompts, a couple of times I have used the stop to obtain results that are rawer than the final one, and they look great. Add the stop parameter to the end of your prompt. I don't usually use less than 90 when I am creating consistent prompts. Start creating stunning images. You can earn profit through the sale of consistent prompts, custom prompts, digital clip art, and books. I'll share weekly videos covering my experiences on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and PromptBase. Find all the links in the video description for detailed information. And I hope my work complements yours. And hey, if you are watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe.